Tonight we're making some steak on the griddle. Now I'm just getting all the steaks out of their packages, getting them ready. The type of steak, these are just sirloin steak. So, probably don't have enough room on this little pan thing I chose. So what I like to do is dry them off, pat them down a little bit. That's this side. A little salt, pepper. And a little garlic on there too. Well, that's some garlic right there. And we're just going to do the same thing for the other side. Some people put olive oil on when they do this. More salt. It's probably good there. Pepper. Now the other option is, I'm putting these right back in the fridge. Some people like to let them, this garlic is pretty quick. Some people like to let them get to room temperature. But I've done a lot of reading on that, and it's I don't know if it actually does anything. It's not going to hurt if you have it half hour sitting out somewhere. We have cats, so I don't want to do that. But so I'm going to let these sit a little bit, let that kind of get into the meat, and then we'll meet out by the griddle. Thanks. Okay, so we're doing our steaks on the grill. We're also going to do some shrimp. Right now I'm just laying them out. We're going to do 7 minutes per side to start out. Shrimp we're not going to put on for a little bit. Now there's already some stuff on here. I'm just going to throw some more on. So let's do that for 7 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, that was 7 minutes on the first side. I actually ended up putting some of this garlic on there as well in a little jar. So let's go ahead and flip these. I'm going to actually scoot them over to this one side here. I have the heat on high on this side. The right side I'm moving down to kind of medium high. My goal is to make these about medium rare. And we're going to get some shrimp. Go so they're not splashing around. Now these you want to do about 2 minutes per side. And these are already deveined and peeled. These are from a fish market in town here. So I'm trying to make them single stack. So I'm spacing them all out a little bit. We'll let those go probably 2 minutes or so on this one side. If I can get them all to lay flat. And then we have a butter garlic sauce. heavy garlic in this meal today. Butter garlic sauce inside that we're going to use on top. So I'm going to let those sit a minute. And you know what? A little salt, pepper on them. Because why not? Well, at least pepper. Maybe a little baby bit of salt. Let's see. I don't have my garlic out here. Otherwise I could do that. You know what? Let's just do... Throw a little bit of garlic in here and mix it up in a minute. And then the very last, we're going to throw some green beans on. Now these steaks, if you want medium rare, you want it to be about 140 degrees internal temp. For rare, you want about 135. Probably been about a minute and a half or so. So you can see they're starting to brown up on the other side here. Woo! Magic time. Oop, that one's for the dogs. So again, just spacing them out. So they get a little grill time on them. You can see they're already starting to get pink. Oop, not this guy. Yeah, these steaks, if you can touch them too and then feel how firm they are. And these are just about finished. If we use the fanciness. It's about 129. Yeah, these ones are done over here. This is like 143, 144. 135, 130, 135, 140. So the steak could actually just be done. Let me get these guys off of here, and I'll just concentrate on the shrimp and the green beans. Look at those. Nice. I'm going to let the green beans go right into this awesomeness of steak fat. Throw the oil down. That's still on high heat over there. Salt and pepper. Probably didn't do enough pepper, so we're just going to do a double dose of that. Spread them out a little bit and let them go. I'm going to turn this guy up on the right. Mix these around. Make sure that each one had a chance to get flipped over. Yeah, those are all looking good. They're all nice and pink. So with these, we're just mixing them around a little bit into that grease from the steaks. Vegetables are only good with meat grease on them. I'm seeing the salt and pepper kind of disappear off them, so I'm just going to add a little more. Let's sit a second. My wife's laughing at me. All right, so let me finish out here, and then we'll go ahead and show you what's on the plate. Thanks. Here we are, all finished up. There's a little butter garlic on top, and we're done.